Today, we're going to learn about adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Can you say them with me? Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Overview. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They are often used with the present simple tense to talk about routines or habits. Here are the common adverbs of frequency in order from most frequent to least frequent. Always, 100%, happens every time, without fail. I always check my email in the morning. They always wear a helmet when riding a bicycle. Usually, 80 to 90%, happens most of the time, but not always. I usually take the bus to work. They usually walk their dog after dinner. Often, 60 to 70%, happens many times, but not as frequently as usually. They often go hiking on weekends. They often take photos when traveling. Sometimes 40 to 50%, happens occasionally, not regularly. We sometimes take a taxi when it rains. We sometimes play board games as a family. Rarely, 10 to 20%, happens infrequently, almost never. He rarely gets sick. I rarely drink soda. Never, 0%, does not happen at all. I never smoke. I never eat seafood because I'm allergic. Position in a sentence. With most verbs, place the adverb before the main verb. She always eats breakfast. With the adverb to be, place the adverb after the verb to be. She is sometimes tired after work. With auxiliary verbs, place the adverb after the auxiliary verb, but before the main verb. They have never visited England. Quick review. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They are often used with the present simple tense to talk about routines or habits. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Make your own sentences using these adverbs. Always, sometimes, never. Comment below. Fantastic work today. You learned how to use adverbs of frequency. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.